Arcadian's new wall is excellent for cleaning many surfaces, including FRP panels. Simply apply the product by low pressure, being sure to read and follow all directions carefully. Allow the product to sit the recommended time and remove with high pressure rinsing. Always apply and remove from the bottom up, working small areas approximately 3 feet wide at one time. New wall is also excellent for metal buildings. Simply apply under low pressure from the bottom up. Allow to dwell approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Be sure to read and follow the directions carefully. Remove with high pressure rinsing from the bottom up, working small sections. New wall is also perfect for painted block and some brick. Simply apply under low pressure and allow to dwell the recommended time. Remove with high pressure from the bottom up. Be sure to read and follow all directions carefully, including the recommendation of testing an inconspicuous location prior to large-scale cleaning.